Now that we have used addition to build up our composition, we will use subtraction techniques to emulate Thomas Lyon Mills's process of pentimento. Earlier images, forms, or strokes will appear from underneath the layers we've created. One way to reveal underlayers is to use a kneaded eraser. If you've never used one before, you first work out the eraser by pulling it out slightly and then squishing it back together. You want to expose a clean area of the eraser and then shape it in the way that would best pull color. So, for instance, if you wanted to pull just a small area, you would bring it to a point and just kind of use it in this tiny area right here. But if you wanted to pull it from a large area, you could make a bigger spot that is clean and pull larger areas out. If you twist it while you're removing pastel or any media, you can create some textured places. I'm kind of doing this to emulate the look of clouds. At some points, your eraser will get full of media, so you'll have to knead it again before you finish what you're doing. Another way that you can reveal parts of the composition is to tear. This reveals fresh paper and creates contrast. The final technique that you can use to subtract media is scratching. It works best if you are trying to remove oil pastels. And what you can do is use your dowel rod and take it over the pastel and just kind of pull at the pastel. In this spot, it pulled out this bronze, yellowish brown color that was hiding under the pink. Sometimes, instead of removing material, it pushes it farther along. So you'll pull out color into your whiter areas.